Welcome back to the page. We're happy to have you here. Today I'll be showcasing another vehicle. So join me as I take you on a walk around of this 2021 Kia Telluride SX. Painted in a beautiful deep maroon that the folks at Kia Motors have dubbed Sangria, this intermediate SUV is prepared to haul your family wherever they need to go in both comfort and style. It's powered by a 3.8-liter V6 that produces a robust 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, all fed through an 8-speed automatic transmission and driven by either the front wheels or all four wheels in this instance. This combination also gives the Telluride a tow rating of 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the luxurious appointments. Napa leather covered bucket seats, suede covering the headliner and pillar trim, and plastic bits so good you'll mistake them for real wood. Front and second row occupants are treated to heated and ventilated bucket seats, while the driver receives a heated steering wheel. The third row seat is large enough to accommodate average-sized adults for shorter trips, and there's even ample space behind it for cargo, 21 cubic feet to be exact. Fold down the 60-40 split seat, and that space more than doubles to 46 cubic feet. And for maximum cargo capacity, folding down the second row nearly doubles that to an 87 cubic foot total. And since vehicles like this often haul your most precious cargo, you'll be pleased to know that safety is in no short supply. Kia has included features like blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, forward collision alert with emergency braking, front and rear parking sensors, a rear view camera with 360-degree view, and 7 airbags, including side curtains for all 3 rows, and even one for the driver's knees. To view this vehicle, as well as the full list of our inventory, visit russdarrowdirect.com. If you'd like to take this Telluride for a spin, you can either call our sales team at 920-731-1300 to set up an appointment, or simply stop by at your convenience.